Good day, everyone. I'm thrilled to welcome you to a spectacular exploration in our virtual oasis, Discovering Paradise. A deep dive into the best Bahamas resorts for families. I'll be your guide on this exciting journey, and together, we are about to peel back the layers of enchantment that the Bahamas holds for families. So, whether you're nestled on your favorite couch, or lounging in the coziness of your living room, get ready to be transported to the breathtaking world of family-friendly resorts in the Bahamas. This isn't just a travelogue, it's an immersive experience designed to whisk you away to a realm of turquoise waters, sun-kissed beaches, and unparalleled hospitality. So, without further ado, let's settle into our virtual seats, unwind, and dive headfirst into the captivating tapestry of Bahamian paradise. Our journey begins with the enchanting Atlantis Paradise Island Resort, a place that goes beyond being merely a resort. It is a realm of wonder and excitement that transcends the ordinary. Atlantis isn't just a destination, it's a vivid tapestry of experiences waiting to be unraveled. At the heart of this adventure is Aquaventure, a water park that stands as a testament to limitless family fun. Imagine the exhilaration of zooming down thrilling water slides, the laughter echoing through the air as families bond over shared moments of excitement. But the adventure doesn't stop there. It extends to the depths of the ocean at Dolphin Key. Picture yourself and your family embarking on a marine adventure, creating connections with these magnificent creatures. It's not just an encounter, it's a journey into the mysteries of the sea, fostering appreciation and understanding for the marine world. In essence, Atlantis Paradise Island is more than a resort. It's a dream destination where families don't just go on vacation, they step into a world where every moment is an adventure. Every experience is larger than life, and every memory created is destined to last a lifetime. Now, let's transition from the exhilarating Atlantis to the lap of luxury at the Grand Hyatt Bahamas. Nestled gracefully on the pristine shores of Cable Beach, this resort is nothing short of a symphony where sophistication and entertainment harmonize effortlessly. Imagine beginning your day by strolling through a meticulously designed golf course, a masterpiece crafted by none other than Jack Nicklaus. As you traverse the lush greenery, every step becomes a moment of serenity, a chance to connect with nature in this tropical paradise. Here at Grand Hyatt Bahamas, families are not just guests, they are immersed in a world where luxury, nature, and entertainment seamlessly come together, creating an experience that goes beyond the ordinary. It's a destination where every day unfolds with new possibilities, making it an ideal haven for families seeking the epitome of relaxation, adventure, and unparalleled luxury in the heart of the Bahamas. Now, let's break away from the conventional. Sandals resorts, often celebrated for their intimate and romantic ambience, may seem like an unexpected choice for families. However, let me introduce you to the hidden gem that is Sandals Royal Bahamian Spa Resort. Imagine a resort that not only embraces romance, but also warmly extends its arms to families. It's a harmonious blend where love meets laughter, and every family member finds their own piece of paradise. Picture this, an offshore island, a secluded haven where the crystal-clear waters lap against the shore. A private beach, exclusively for Sandals Royal Bahamian guests, provides a tranquil escape. It's not just a beach, it's a canvas for family bonding, where children build sandcastles, and parents unwind under the swaying palms. This offshore island is an exclusive retreat, a sanctuary that seamlessly marries romance with family-friendly luxury. As the sun sets over the Bahamian horizon, Sandals Royal Bahamian Spa Resort paints a picture of unforgettable experiences. It's a place where love stories intertwine with family tales, creating a narrative of joy and connection. So, for families seeking the perfect blend of romance and family-friendly luxury, Sandals Royal Bahamian Spa Resort is not just a destination, it's a promise of cherished memories that will last a lifetime. If you're yearning for an all-inclusive escape that transcends the ordinary, Melia Nassau Beach on the pristine Cable Beach is a true feast for the senses. Picture waking up to the gentle melody of waves caressing the shore, a harmonious symphony that sets the tone for a day of unparalleled relaxation and excitement. This resort isn't just a place to unwind, it's a vibrant celebration of family bonds, creating an atmosphere where every moment becomes a cherished memory. As the sun rises over Cable Beach, Melia Nassau Beach unveils a culinary journey that caters to every palate. Imagine strolling into diverse dining options, each presenting a tempting array of flavors. From delectable local cuisine to international delights, the resort transforms meals into exquisite experiences, ensuring that every family member finds something to savor. Melia Nassau Beach, with its all-encompassing approach to family vacations, is where convenience seamlessly meets luxury. The resort becomes a gateway to the complete Bahamas experience, ensuring that families not only witness the beauty of the destination, but become a part of its vibrant tapestry. From the first light of dawn to the breathtaking sunsets, Melia Nassau Beach is a sanctuary where families can create, celebrate, and relish every moment of their Bahamian adventure. Our journey continues to the Warwick Paradise Island, Bahamas, an all-inclusive haven thoughtfully designed with families in mind. As you step into this tropical retreat, envision being greeted by breathtaking panoramic views of Nassau Harbor and the city skyline, creating a picturesque backdrop for your Bahamian escape. This resort is not merely a place to stay, it's a curated experience of serenity, where families are embraced by the tranquility nestled in the heart of paradise. What sets Warwick Paradise Island, Bahamas apart is its commitment to offering more than just accommodation. It's an immersive journey into relaxation, where every detail contributes to a sense of peace and serenity. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle sounds of the ocean, the warm Bahamian sun casting a golden glow over the harbor, creating an idyllic atmosphere that becomes the canvas for your family's cherished moments. In essence, Warwick Paradise Island, Bahamas transcends the definition of a resort. It's a serene oasis where families find tranquility amidst the enchanting allure of the Bahamas. So, if you're seeking a blend of breathtaking views, diverse culinary delights, and a commitment to well-being, consider Warwick Paradise Island, Bahamas your gateway to an unforgettable family retreat in the heart of paradise. Now, let's talk about a hidden gem for families on a budget, Comfort Suites Paradise Island. Often, when we think of budget-friendly options, we might envision compromising on certain luxuries. However, Comfort Suites Paradise Island challenges that notion. It's a haven where affordability meets quality, ensuring that families can have a memorable Bahamas experience without breaking the bank. Imagine spacious accommodations that not only meet, but exceed your expectations. Comfort Suites provides families with more than just a place to stay, it's a home away from home. The generously sized suites offer ample room for everyone, providing a comfortable and relaxing space to unwind after a day of exploring the wonders of the Bahamas. In essence, Comfort Suites Paradise Island isn't just a budget-friendly option, it's a gateway to a fulfilling and memorable family vacation. So, if you're seeking affordability without compromise, this hidden gem might just be the perfect choice for your Bahamas getaway. In the lap of opulence on Paradise Island lies the Ocean Club, a Four Seasons resort, a beacon that defines the very essence of luxury. Picture awakening in sumptuous accommodations, where every detail exudes timeless elegance. From the moment you open your eyes, a sense of exclusivity and refinement envelops you, setting the tone for a day filled with indulgence and sophistication. This exclusive retreat not only offers luxurious accommodations, but also boasts a world-class Tom Weisskopf-designed golf course, a paradise for golf enthusiasts seeking an unmatched experience. The fairways wind through meticulously landscaped grounds, providing not just a golfing experience, but a journey through a picturesque landscape that complements the resort's commitment to offering an unparalleled escape. The Ocean Club is more than a mere resort. It's a retreat meticulously designed for those with a taste for the extraordinary. Families seeking exclusivity in paradise find themselves immersed in an atmosphere where luxury knows no bounds. It's a sanctuary where the fusion of elegance, personalized service, and a commitment to perfection transforms a vacation into an exquisite journey that lingers in the memory long after the sun sets over the Bahamian horizon. Now, let's venture off the beaten path to our final destination, the enchanting Cape Eleuthera Resort and Marina. Picture a hidden gem nestled on Eleuthera Island, a haven for those seeking a retreat away from the ordinary. As you step into this secluded paradise, you'll find a diverse range of accommodations, from waterfront villas offering panoramic views of the azure waters to cozy cottages nestled in the lush foliage, providing an intimate and serene escape for families of all sizes. But it's not just the accommodations that make Cape Eleuthera special, it's the experience. The marina, with its boats gently rocking in the breeze, beckons families to embark on a unique blend of adventure. Imagine setting sail into the crystalline waters, exploring hidden coves and encountering the vibrant marine life. From snorkeling to deep-sea fishing, the array of water activities ensures that every day brings a new and exciting adventure for the whole family. This is where adventure seamlessly intertwines with serenity, offering a unique blend that is far from the typical tourist path. Cape Eleuthera is a place where families create their own narrative, where each day unfolds with a perfect balance of excitement and peaceful reflection. So, if you're yearning for a secluded paradise, far away from the hustle and bustle, Cape Eleuthera Resort and Marina awaits, ready to weave your family's unforgettable story in the embrace of this hidden gem. As we wrap up this immersive journey, through the best Bahamas resorts for families, it's clear that each destination we've explored offers a distinctive tapestry of experiences, tailored to cater to the varied desires of every family. From the exhilarating adventures at Atlantis to the refined elegance found at the Ocean Club, these resorts serve as gateways to paradise, promising more than just a vacation. They promise a collection of memories to be cherished for a lifetime. As you contemplate your future Bahamas getaway, take a moment to consider the diverse offerings presented by these remarkable resorts. Picture yourself immersed in the excitement of water parks, lounging on pristine beaches, or indulging in world-class dining. Imagine the joy on your children's faces as they explore the wonders of these family-friendly havens. The key to an unforgettable escape lies in selecting the resort that resonates most with your family's preferences and desires. So, whether you're seeking the vibrant energy of Cable Beach or the tranquil seclusion of Eleuthera Island, remember that each of these resorts has its own unique charm waiting to be discovered. As you plan your retreat, keep in mind the importance of striking a harmonious balance, a blend of relaxation, adventure, and most importantly, quality time with your loved ones. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you once again for joining us on this virtual exploration of Bahamian bliss. We hope this journey has sparked your wanderlust and provided valuable insights into the world of family-friendly resorts in the Bahamas. Until the next time your toes touch the warm sands and the ocean breeze welcomes you back, may your travels be filled with joy, discovery, and the creation of countless cherished memories. Happy travels!